Good morning, everybody. It's your boy Saints A here, back.
And your girl.
Sorry, and your girl, Saints her.
We'll work on that.
Yeah, back with another vlog. We are currently in Amsterdam. It is about 9:40 a.m. Our first task on this little adventure is to go to the Van Gogh Museum, which is right there. So today we're gonna do that and then kind of just wander around the city. We don't really have anything else booked.
Yeah, we do. Anne Frank Museum.
Oh
later.
yes, the Anne Frank Museum, which you'll see later today. I highly doubt we can record, but hopefully we can. So hopefully you guys do enjoy this vlog. Make sure you do leave a like and subscribe. You guys have been killing it on the other ones, so we do appreciate that.
It doesn't look like him.
I was speaking.
Welcome to my crib, MTV. We got our little bed. Here you can see a mural of this. And then we got, turn this off, turn this one on, and you can change the colors of it. Oh. Got some LED lights. We got our little shelf with our stuff, backpacks. They give us robes, some towels. We do have little windows here, so it makes it less kind of stuffy in here. There is a vent. It's a little air conditioner. And then just us. Just our little bodies that go in here.
This was the build up to Starry night. He fucked up the first time. I want a Lego set.
You could probably have it. It's like 20 bucks.
Lego. Just finished through the whole Van Gogh Museum. It was a really cool little museum to go through. You get to see throughout all of his life, full storyline of everything. The only other thing that was a little unfortunate is they don't actually have Starry Night. So we did not know this going into it. We thought we would see it, but I guess it's located in New York, which is kind of unfortunate. But it was still really cool to see all of his other portraits of himself and all of his paintings. So yeah, so now we're just gonna wander around, get some food. Not too sure, we don't really have anything else booked other than the Anne Frank Museum. Yummy, yummy. We're playing our sport. Oh. They should come to Canada, play on some real ice. It's actually real ice. They got a Zamboni right there too. Look at that. Not too bad. It's a frozen over pond, but it's not even cold here. So they must be pumping freezing cold. I don't even know, but they're pumping something into it to freeze it. Morgan wants to play, but see, it's whatever they're doing right here. Oh, you probably can't see it, but now we're about to go to the Anne Frank Museum, and we're gonna go check that out. So I also forgot to add, I doubt we can record in the Anne Frank Museum, so
we might be able to.
We'll see if we can. If we can, then I'll show you what we can, but I highly doubt it. The popo are after us. They heard us talking. So if we can record, that'd be awesome, but if not, then we'll just have to tell you all about it. We just finished up the Anne Frank house slash museum tour. Very interesting slash...
We're feeling very somber.
That too. Unfortunately, like I thought, you can't record. But it was very, very cool to go through. They definitely did a good tour on it. They had little audible books that you listen to. Or we're gonna go to some Italian restaurant. It's about 40 minutes away, so we got a little bit of a hike to get there. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to day 3 of Amsterdam. It is currently about 11 a.m.
Zach slept in today.
Just a little bit. We don't have too much planned for today, so I think we're just gonna wander around, see what we can find out. We did a lot of wandering yesterday, so we do know a few good spots. So grab some lunch, see what today has for us, and then later tonight we are gonna go to the red light district and maybe
the sex museum.
Maybe that. So we'll check it out, see what it has to offer for us. There's a bunch of coupons here at our hotel, so we'll see what there is. So stay tuned for today. Thanks for watching. So biking is obviously the transportation in Amsterdam. There's so many bikes, but look at these little cars. Look at how small those are. They are absolutely tiny, but they fit 2 people. Like, that's a mini Cooper. It's fucking crazy.
Smart car.
Smart car. Those things are tiny. But the amount of bikes here is incredible. Like, you can't walk anywhere without seeing a bike.
They call it the bike city for a reason.
Yeah. But we're like about 3 minutes away from the Amsterdam Palace, so we're gonna check that out and then grab some lunch. So we'll see if we can do a tour at the Amsterdam Palace, but I'm not too sure. Finished up some lunch, went to a little restaurant
It was great.
It was really good. Probably one of the best foods we've had so far throughout this trip. Just a little burger and fries, but it was a really good burger. Probably the best burger.
Salad was good too.
Yeah, Morgan got a nice chicken salad, Caesar salad. Got a nice bottle of wine as well, which was always yummy. We're just heading back to the capsules. Gonna hang out for a little bit, and then tonight we're gonna head out to the red light district. See what they got there. So stay tuned for that. I know you boys are definitely gonna be excited for that part. Not a pulp fan. Okay, we grabbed a glass of wine, and what did you have? A mimosa. At
It's filled with pulp. Make sure you're careful with ordering orange juice in Europe.
yeah, or any kind of juices. A lot of them come with pulp. But so we went a little bit of window shopping. We went a little earlier than you're supposed to, so not too many girls, but there's still plenty. So we did a bunch of that, and then we just went to a coffee shop.
No sex shows for us though.
So then we went to a coffee shop. We just got this bad boy. So we thought, since we're in Amsterdam, you gotta try the Kush.
We have to. It's our first time smoking weed ever.
Yeah. So we'll try that out. We're gonna grab some Dons for dinner. And yeah.
Good evening, vloggers!
If you guys made it to this far in the video, we do appreciate it. We are sitting here in Berlin as I'm editing the Amsterdam vlog, and unfortunately all of the audio in the outro got messed up, like earlier in the video. Not too sure what's going on with the GoPro, but hopefully we do fix that. Unfortunately, at the red light district, you couldn't really record. I mean, it's completely understandable because the girls are basically nude in their bathing suits and thongs and stuff like that. But we did get a couple of pictures of the empty rooms and kind of the street, so it gives you a kind of little preview of what it is. It was very cool to see. So if you guys do go to Amsterdam, I really do recommend going there. Right, Morgan?
We recommend.
She agrees as well. But hopefully you guys did enjoy that vlog. Hopefully you guys did enjoy the vlog. I can't say it was one of the best ones, but we did still have fun in Amsterdam. It was definitely a good time. We enjoyed most of the scenic views by sitting on a table and drinking some wine.
We'll step it up for the next one.
Yeah, hopefully Berlin so far has been a blast, so stay tuned for that vlog. But make sure you guys do like and subscribe for all the future vlogs. We got a lot more countries ahead of us, so thanks for watching, everybody, and stay tuned.